Greetings viewers and subscribers. Today is gonna be a different journey. Today we have something special for you. Now, last week one of my subscribers reached out to me and he asked me to big up his business. His name is Michael and he does plastic welding. I gave him a shout out and he told me that as a result of the shout out, he has been getting some calls. So we are gonna go and check. Michael, if you are coming from Savlamar, this is the route that you take to go to Michael. You leave the Little London Crossroad, travel for about 1.5 miles to 2 miles, then you take the left turn. That road, like you're going to Jam West, that is where Michael is. Okay.
This one, we do it tank.
Water tank. Okay. Okay.
No man, alright man.
So you're clean, you're clean headlight. Okay, yeah, headlight. Stay away, just wipe it off. Alright.
No man, we pull up.
Pull up. Oh, you pull it.
Up.
Clean it inside, yeah? Because sometimes like inside them look foggy.
Yeah.
If you even clean outside, inside look away.
Yeah man, inside.
Yeah.
Alright. Me out.
No. We had a fan that got damaged. The blade got damaged. And we were about to throw away the fan until Michael linked us and told us to give him a shout out. So we are gonna take the fan to Michael. I want you to watch and see Michael at work. I can tell you that as a result of the work he did on the fan is now back in good working condition. So Michael would have saved us over 6,000 Jamaican dollars. If you have your tank at your house that is damaged, Michael fix it. And like he told me, any job that he does, there is a 1-year warranty on it. So if anything go bad on the job that he did within a year, he's gonna go back and fix it, free of cost. You got to see this to believe it. You know, you have some things, some plastic, some things burst up and throw down. Trust me, Michael can fix it for you. His phone number is 876-520-5366. Give him a call. Tell him, Papai tell you to call him. You understand? And if you out there, you're involved in business and you want us to come and big up your business, send us a WhatsApp message. 876-458-9111. One thing you must ensure is that your business is legitimate. So today we have 2 stories for you. First up, now this is a very sad story. It took place at Wharf Road, Smithfield, in the parish of Westmoreland. It took place on Friday, the 9th of July, 2021, about some minutes to 7 p.m. We are learning that a lady, her name is Miss Ursula Bingham. She was 85 years old and she was a pensioner. She lived at Wharf Road, Smithfield, in the parish of Westmoreland. Now, Miss Ursula, she lived alone in a 6-apartment board house. We are told that Miss Ursula, she was last seen alive on Friday, the 9th of July, 2021, sometime in the morning between 8 and 9 o'clock. About some minutes after 6 p.m., the said date, the 9th of July 2021, residents of Wharf Road, they reported seeing fire coming from the house where Miss Ursula lived. As a result, they summoned the fire brigade and the police. On the arrival of the fire brigade, they were only able to do cooling down operation because, like we said, Miss Ursula's house is a board house. So by the time the fire truck was able to reach there, the house was completely destroyed by fire. After the fire personnel were able to do cooling down operations, when they checked inside of the house, the charred remains of Miss Ursula was seen on the floor in the hall section of the house. So Miss Ursula, she was burnt up in the house. This is a very sad way to go for Miss Ursula. We'd like to extend condolences to her family and may her soul rest in peace. Sad indeed. So if you are here, you are watching the video, you haven't yet hit on the like button, remember to hit on it. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Now, in the final story for today, we had carried this story yesterday, and like we told you, we'll be getting the additional information and we'll be updating this story. It took place on Friday, the 9th of July 2021, sometime after 5 a.m. It took place at Tangle River in the parish of St. James. Now, we are learning that the police, they carried out a targeted raid at a house. At this house, the police went there armed with a search warrant. They were searching for illegal weapons and lotto scamming paraphernalia. This house is a 5-bedroom house. We are told that it is occupied by 9 persons, all family members. This house was searched, and in one of the bedrooms occupied by a man, one 9mm HS 2000 pistol with the serial number intact was found. It was found under a mattress inside the room. This firearm, it had one magazine affixed containing 9 rounds of 9mm cartridges. The police also found another weapon. This weapon is a ADP 9mm pistol. We are told that the serial number for this weapon was erased. It was found to contain 8 rounds of 9mm cartridges. This weapon, we are told, was found in a pot of cooked rice. It was found in the pot of cooked rice on a stove. Now, the man whose mattress the first weapon was found under, his name is Bobby Smith. He is 26 years old and he lives at Tangle River in the parish of St. James. 8 other persons were arrested and taken into custody. The 8 persons include 5 females and 3 males. Their age range from 16 years old to 58 years old. They are in custody and we are not sure whether or not they will be charged. But Bobby Smith, he was already charged for the weapon that was allegedly found under his bed or under his mattress. So, this gun, or one of the guns, was allegedly found in a pot of rice. Think about it. You see how these guys are finding innovative ways to hide their illegal stuffs? We are happy that these 2 illegal weapons were taken off the street. Congratulations again to the St. James Police for the recovery of these 2 weapons. And we know sometimes we might have said residents must pass on information and this and that. And some people come on the channel and start curse and say police are the same one who give back people information. We don't cut the crap. Residents, you can give the police information without the police know where the information is coming from. No may nobody tell you foolishness, but police are going to go back go talk. Most of the times, these things leak out, it's you same one who trust somebody and tell them that you had given the police the information. There are ways. You have the JDF tip line. You have 119. You have 311. You call them, give them the information. You don't have to tell them where the information is coming from. Just tell them that a gun is hidden in Tom Stroke's house. If you know where in the house it is hidden, tell them. And after you pass on the information, keep by your mouth. Don't say a thing to a soul. We have to pass on the information because at the end of the day, like I always say, we are protecting ourselves. Once again, we are happy that today we don't have to end this video by saying the mayhem continues. And don't you for a minute think that we are happy to carry the mayhem stories, because we want to be able to carry videos like these where we can go around and show people who are hardworking, people who are doing stuffs to help others. Because I am sure, persons seeing Michael doing this, you have something thrown down that you didn't know that could be fixed. And I am sure that you are happy that you are seeing this video and you will be going to Michael to have him fix it. Blessed love, everybody.
Alright, Biggs. You know, say I look a bit more money that's it.
Yeah, man, find out a more thing there. You see, I see me a drive a song so that in the background. This alone are going in the background, you know. So you see there. They done, man. People have to know, say, anything at all when they have mash up. Yeah, man. Hey.
It's mash up, man.
Yeah.
Mash up.
Yeah.
The man can't come. I mean, I will guarantee for my work.
Yeah, yeah.
I do it, if I do it for free, I do it like I do it for money.
Yeah, man.
See me, you know what I'm saying? I do it, batch you up and say, yo, go along with you. No. I'm work talk to yourself, you know.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I eat that, man. Alright. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Oh, that what going a vehicle?
The window. The window. The driver's side. It broke up on the window.
Oh, so okay, fix up behind back. How long are you in our business?
About 20 years now, I do it.
20 years, okay. I see the guarantee for your work.
Yeah, man, I guarantee. You never work with them, man. I guarantee for it. It's when we do that, the black tank, then we have give the man like 1 year.
Oh, okay, get a 1 year guarantee. So if nothing do it, you go back go fix it.
Go back go fix it. Free.
Free, yeah. Hold on, the bike did that pass. Go on again.
I know how I do it, my experience tonight. I find me did it.
Okay.
I find me do it. Come out and start the little thing.
Yeah, man. Alright, so respect. We are going to go back down in there, so thanks a lot. We chat. You know